Welcome to Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 11. These are daily exercises to challenge your Pandas skills. You can take all of the challenges at python.dunderdata.com. Let's go ahead and read in our employee data set. So in this challenge, for each department, find the percentage of employees that have the word senior as part of their title. We're going to ignore the case and then round to the nearest tenths place, and we'll return a series with the department name in the index and also sorted by the index. All right, so this seems pretty straightforward. For each department, we're going to find what percentage of the employees have the word senior somewhere in the title. All right, so let's go ahead and just figure out if we can determine whether senior is in the title. That's the first thing that we'll do. So get the title column. We'll use the contains string only method. We'll pass in the word senior. So does it contain the word senior? We will ignore case like this. So this will just give us back a true false series, a Boolean series. And you can see here the first two values are false. If we look back up here, the first two employees do not have the word senior, but the next three do. So that looks good, but we need to group this series by department. So series do have a group by method. And we can pass in the department column to group by. So it will be aligned with this department column and it'll just group like that. Now we have to tell it what do we want to do with the series values. Well, we will take the mean of them. So we're going to aggregate by department. Taking the mean returns the fraction of employees that have the word senior in their title. So let's go ahead and execute that. And then we can test our function now. And this looks correct. So we're going to turn this into a percentage though. That's the little trick, not a fraction. So we need to multiply this by 100. But it says to round to the nearest tenths place, which means we can round here to the third digit. That'll end up being the tenths place because we will be multiplying by 100. So this will give us the final answer like that, and then we can check the solution and everything looks good. Now Pandas automatically sorts by department, so you don't have to, when you're grouping I should say, so you don't have to do that. That happens automatically. The index will get sorted. And then we can double check that there are no errors by running the assert statement. Okay, so a long line of code, but gets the job done. The first thing that happens here is that we've determined whether or not title is in, or senior is in the title, and then we group by department. We take the mean of all those, that Boolean series, we round to 3 digits, and then we multiply by 100 to get the percentage. All right, so that does it for Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 11. If you enjoyed this challenge and would like to learn more, then come check out my books and courses at dunderdata.com. I provide a comprehensive path for mastering both Python and Pandas to produce trusted results. Below I have a few of my courses. Exercise Python will teach you the fundamentals of Python. Master Data Analysis with Python is an extremely comprehensive course that will teach you everything there is to know about using the Pandas library to do data analysis. And then my newest course is Build an Interactive Data Analytics Dashboard with Python, which is a really fun and exciting course and teaches you all the steps for launching your very own dashboard with Python.